you guys. Hello.
Hi, oh, look at this.
Hey, sir. You mind stepping outside
Nope,
with me?
this
No.
is a public place. I'm doing a FOIA request under RCW 4256080. What's your name? What's your name?
Officer Mua.
Okay.
And
Your
you're being
badge
audio
number?
recorded.
That's fine. So are you?
Okay, that's
You guys
fine.
all got your
So
body
you're
cam?
free to record and all of that. However, they already asked you to leave, so you need to leave
This
or
is
you'll
a
be
public-
trespassed.
This is a public office. and
I
I'm in a
understand that.
public lobby.
However, you are causing a disruption.
I'm not-
They don't want you to be here, and it's a private business for them also. So they have a right to trespass people, and they want you out of here.
You've been louder than me.
Okay. Well, because you had music going on. Okay. So you can either leave willingly, and be trespassed, or you can leave in cuffs.
Oh, so you're threatening me with arrest.
That's the two options that we have.
Can I get your supervisor?
We can do that. However, I need you to
No,
leave with me.
I'm not going to leave. This is a public lobby.
Okay. So why is it that you want to be here?
I'm doing a FOIA request under 4256080 in person, verbally, and also under the ADA. So if
Okay.
you've already threatened me with arrest, so
Okay.
there's a potential lawsuit right there.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine. That's fine with you.
So
You don't lose your qualified.
why is it that you're trying to do that? Or I guess that's fine. Go ahead and
That's
do that.
my rights.
But okay, you put in the request, and then what happened?
Well, then it's up to them. They got 5 days to respond.
Okay.
And then after that, I'm coming here quietly. I've been respectful all the time. She threatened to get out of line.
Okay.
Just now on camera, I said, you're going to do that, then I'm going to file a complaint on you.
Okay.
So have you already done the request? Why are
I
you
haven't
Yeah.
done it. I started it, and then this goofball guy came out all upset and angry with his arms crossed, saying that, no, we can't do it. And I tried to explain to them the RCW law.
Okay.
Does anybody know the RCW law under
What?
4256? Put up their hands.
Why are, so my question is can you request anything online? Why
I don't want
have
to do it
be here with-
online because it's my right as
Okay.
a Washington citizen
Okay.
to do it in person. Because it's got to do with disabilities, that's why you can do it in person.
Okay.
And if you don't have the internet, you shouldn't be restricted to not do a FOIA request.
Okay, so what did they tell you?
You're a bad officer. I
Okay.
don't trust you at all.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a FOIA request on you.
Okay.
You, I know. I've met you before.
Hello?
Yes. I know. Yeah.
Might be up there a couple years.
You know, I'll go right to the top. What's
Okay.
her name? Renee? Is it Renee?
I mean, you could talk to Renee if you want.
Yeah. Is that Renee? Is that the lady? She has a really nice sister that goes to the dog park a lot.
I have no idea.
I do.
Okay.
So, you already threatened me with arrest.
Nope, I did not.
got
I
it
gave
on
you two
camera.
options.
Don't lie. Do
It's-
not lie.
nope,
I'm going in
it's-
cuffs. That's what you said.
I gave you two options of what they wanted us to do, okay?
Look at this whole office in a mumble jumble.
we know his name?
Upset because I'm doing a public.
What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name, sir?
I'm not going to give it right now. No,
Okay.
not a chance. So I have a right to be here to do a FOIA request.
Okay.
In public. I've got it on 2 cameras right
Okay.
now that there was no disorderly or anything going on.
Okay, and then what happened?
None of your business.
Well,
No,
it
it is
is
our
my
business.
business. That's why we're here.
No, I haven't broken the law. I haven't done anything. So you
They
have no
asked you to
authority.
leave.
You have no authority.
They
can't
they
from the public.
asked you to leave.
This
they
is
can
not
do
Walmart.
that. They can do that.
This is not Sports Authority. They can't. This is a public place, and I'm here on legal business.
Okay, so you've done your business.
No, I haven't.
They said they can't do it or
Do you
not.
have your listening ears on? Because she obviously doesn't. Okay, you heard me say that I haven't done my FOIA request because she
So is there
started
anything we
it.
can help you with here today?
Yeah, I want to do my FOIA request. If you can get talk to
So
them.
my question, so what happened when you asked them?
They started to do it. She was a nice lady. I got her car and I can't pronounce
What's
it.
the process for that whole FOIA request that he's asking?
She was starting it, and this other guy came out and got involved and said, "No, we don't
Okay.
do it that way." But think of it: if somebody doesn't have the internet, think of
Say
the
that
laws
again?
behind it. And they
He needs to go
can't-
to the prosecutor's office, okay?
It's not true.
And then
It's not true.
Okay.
You're not. It's not true. If you refuse the FOIA request,
I'm asking what their process is and what they've told you. That's all I'm asking. Okay.
It's not true. Just look up the law.
It's not through us.
It's not through you guys? Okay.
Go online,
Online.
county, and do a request
request through Whatcom County
If I don't have the internet.
or anything. It's just Whatcom County
If I don't have the
records
internet,
request.
then I'm subject to.
Okay, it's through the courts.
Civil lawyer
What is a
at the prosecutor's office who will
Freedom
vet
of
it.
information.
Whatcom County.
That's more of a
It's online.
federal
Whatcom
thing.
County
Washington has
records
zero
request.
status, but it's.
Okay. Is it for a court
56.
proceeding or is it?
It's really.
So what is it you're looking for? I'm
It's just a
curious,
form.
like, what do you wanna,
I
what is
wanna
it,
find out.
Did you
I
guys-
started it with, I wanted to get the names of every employee at this.
Sorry,
office,
I'm
first,
trying to
last
listen
name.
and
But there's more to it.
Okay.
You can go online.
So he's saying that he doesn't want to do it online because it's an ADA, you said? For,
It's 4256-080
But for-
RCWs, but also ADA.
okay, so that's why he wants to do it in person. It sounds like they are referring you to the prosecutor's office because they don't have the information
This
that
is,
you need.
I don't get the information today. They got 5 days to respond. Do these guys not even know how a FOIA, a public records request is?
Are you looking for records on you or for a case or what is it?
Public records of the employees in this office, just like I can go down to Bellingham PD,
Okay.
get your name and your public records.
Does it
Okay.
help any if we just walk him over to the office where he does
No,
this?
you're not walking me
No,
anywhere.
he
Are you
wants it.
kidding me?
He wants a FOIA request for you guys here.
She's the lady that kind of threatened me, said she was gonna go,
Call the police.
Okay,
you
we're-
know, you
we're trying to
said
help you
other
out,
things
sir.
too.
Okay,
We're
let's
trying to
not
help. Do you wanna
You
just?
said
walk
I'm not
over?
he's the nice one.
Yeah, he is the nice one.
And then
Then
if
they
you
send me
deal with
out.
me, it's gonna be a lot worse, you said. What does that
That
mean?
means the police are here, because you didn't leave when he asked you.
For a legal
We already told you we can't
law
be here.
protected act.
Do you want us to walk you over to a place where we can help you?
You know what? Walk yourself,
I don't need anything there.
okay?
Okay.
Okay, so
I'll,
that's
I'll do my FOIA request here because
It's not
the law
here.
says I can.
So it sounds like they can't help you with anything, right?
They can, but they were refusing to do it.
We're offering to walk you over.
I don't want to be walked over to anywhere.
The
You want us
information
to
that
walk
you're
over?
looking
No.
for is through the
I
prosecutor's
don't need
office.
somebody to hold my hand over to some other place. I already
It
know what
seems
the
like
law
you
is.
do. It seems like
See
you
what
do.
I mean, guys?
Okay.
Because you're just
She's-
staying here.
See what I mean? She's just
Okay, so
trying to
sir,
escalate
okay,
things.
so what you're looking for is a FOIA request, and you're looking for what here though? I'm trying to understand that. I'm missing information. That's what I'm
You
missing.
could do it right now
Okay.
with a pen and paper
Okay.
and get this all over
Okay.
with.
But
the
what am
problem
I
is,
looking
under
for?
RCWs, it's their responsibility.
But what am I looking for? What are you trying to request though?
Well, I started to, but it's a list.
Is it, so you said that it's for employees.
It's public
Is-
records.
okay, I
Just like
I
you have a
understand
pu-
that.
Part of your file is public records.
I know that, but what records are you trying to obtain?
I'll tell them when I'm ready.
I don't know how to help you with that to try
You
translate
can't.
that with you.
They have to do it.
Okay, but what is it that you're looking for? Because they keep saying that they don't have what you're looking for.
They are not
So I don't know
responsible.
how to
They're
get
not
you
going to
that.
fulfill the FOIA request. Have you heard the 5-day rule?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so we're on the same wavelength
Yes.
now. So you know something about public records?
I do, yeah. So they have 5 days to give you information or not. Be like, hey, we actually need
Ask-
more time
Exactly.
to be able to get it. I
Exactly.
understand that.
Exactly.
So you have a right to request it in person. I
Yes.
know that. But I don't understand what files or what records you're looking for. That's the
Well, I
missing
started to
information.
say that I want to get the names,
Okay.
first and last names of
Okay.
the employees at
Here.
this office.
Okay.
Not some other office.
Okay.
This one.
And you want employees here. Is that what it is?
Yes, and I
Okay.
also want to get some other information too.
Okay.
When they're ready to take it down, because it really doesn't help me to have to rehash this whole thing. When they're going to take my FOIA request, they
Okay.
have to by law.
Okay. Did they tell you why they don't have that information that you got to go to the prosecutor's
She was
office?
starting to. I got her name here in my pocket.
Okay.
She started to do the
The
request.
gown, the black shirt.
Super nice lady, but then she stopped when the other guy came out and said, "No, we don't do this here."
Okay.
So that's all.
Okay, so
I got it
you're-
all on videotape. I've not been disorderly. I've been
Okay.
very cordial and
Yes.
professional the whole time.
Okay.
You haven't. You threatened me with arrest.
My apologies. When I came in, my understanding was that they had asked you to leave.
Then you can tell that to the judge when I put a
Okay.
lawsuit in for you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So what she was trying to say, and I just confirmed that with them, is they do want to press charges on you for trespass if you don't leave.
So you're willing to follow through on this? Do you not know this is a
If you
public?
do not leave, you will be placed in arrest for trespass. Second degree.
Is this a public?
It is until you are asked to leave numerous times, and until you're refusing to leave when law enforcement comes in as well. That's
So
when
what-
it comes to criminal matter. Right?
Let's do it this way. So what if I had a shirt with Biden on
Sir,
it,
what's
and
your
they
name?
said, "I want you to leave."
What's your name?
That's up to them.
So you're threatened with arrest?
You will be placed in arrest if you do not leave.
Are you threatened with arrest too, or you want to keep your?
Go for it.
I mean, I'm not here to sue anybody.
I'm here as backup to whatever they were deciding. I don't,
So,
right
who's the
now,
lead
you're not
officer?
cooperating.
Officer knows.
Have a
You're
right to
you're
be
not
here.
cooperating. You haven't given your name. He asked you for your name.
I don't
We
have to
told
give
you
it
that
under
we
the
can
Fourth
trespass you
Amendment.
from here.
You
and
guys think you
you're
can
not
just take
cooperating.
everything, can't you? Yeah.
Take what?
Well, first of all, I have a Fourth Amendment right not to
Yeah.
give my name. All I wanted to do, I was respectful. I came in here. Oh, they're doing the nod to arrest me. You're gonna get.
Are you gonna physically resist being placed in handcuffs?
I'm not gonna physically resist anything.
Okay.
But so
You're gonna
so let me
resist
get this correct. If I don't leave now, you're gonna put me under arrest.
Are you willing to leave right now?
I need to know if that's my consequences for staying here. I need to make it crystal clear because you need to look up.
You're
Okay.
very, very close to a prison. Please arrest.
And if I don't leave now, I'll be arrested.
Yes.
Okay, is that right? You concur?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a lawsuit, guys.
Right.
They walked right into it, and I didn't come here to do a lawsuit. I came here to do my public records request. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing. I don't know you, so.
All right. Take care.
And so, if you come outside, I'd like to do a FOIA request from you guys.
Okay. If you return back here, you'll be placed under arrest.
So how long is that? Did you look up on 9A? You looked up on 9A under?
So we have a form we can issue you.
Do
Would
you want a copy of that?
So yeah, do the 9A form.
Okay.
And you have to,
We have a copy of a notice of trespass.
do
so
the
we can
9,
give
but
you
you're
that.
not getting my name.
Wait, but
So
we
you
have it
can
on
just
bo-
put John
but we have it
Doe
on
or
body
whatever you gotta
cam
put
here.
in.
It's all on
They
body
know who you
cam.
are. They know who you are, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. I want a supervisor. I want a sergeant. Please give me a sergeant.
For what?
For being trespassed illegally.
So you want to question them about our authority to trespass?
I don't think you have the proper training, or you're just willfully not looking behind me. I don't want to block anybody. You're willfully not abiding by the law right now.
Do you want to call 911 and request a supervisor that way? That we can have a private conversation with them?
I don't care about it. It's private because I'm going to probably post it anyhow online.
Okay. If
So-
you step out of the building, maybe we can call in for you, perhaps.
Maybe?
Yep.
Who's the sergeant on staff right now?
Corporal Rhoda, our supervisor.
Corporal, you don't have a sergeant?
Not right now. Not on our shift.
There's
If
not
you like
one
to step out-
sergeant out of 187 officers?
If we have to talk with him real quick, and we'll come talk to him in just 1 second if you're willing to hang out. Because that's not arrest, but
Yeah. He's also not listening to any of our unlawful commands.
no, yeah,
So, yeah.
up to you guys.
No, I mean, if
think
he's
it's
off the
Bailey,
property,
has something to do.
yeah, he totally is.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm.
Do you guys know his name?
No, he wouldn't give us his name.
No, the form that he was trying to fill out and everything. Did he put anything on there?
He never filled
No,
out a
he-
form.
Oh, he never did.
Never did.
Have you guys seen him before?
Wanting to. It's kind of weird. I think he spoke to another attorney in the office initially. And I don't think he ever provided his name, and I don't think he, as far as I know, it's unclear exactly what documents he wanted provided to him.
He said he wanted your guys' employees' names and everything, and that's what he was requesting, and for other files, but wouldn't elaborate on more on
I'm
that.
calling the attorney of
Oh.
Shoshana.
What was he asking for?
He was upset about the whole FOIA request and that you guys weren't
Okay.
giving it to him, and then I was like, I don't know what he was requesting, and he wouldn't give me that
What
information.
exactly does he want?
Exactly, and so I was like, something's not. I'm missing information here, and he said that he wanted your guys' employee information, and then other files, but he'll say it when he's ready.
You got 3 officers. You can have one come out here and do the paperwork.
You're not gonna
Yeah.
tell us how to do our job.
Well, yes, I am.
No, you're actually not. You can stay out there and wait for us.
They're gonna talk to the board and see what they know who he is.
Oh, if they know. Okay.
Yeah.
Kind of some stuff like that.
And then he knows Renee.
You mentioned her name.
So you can call her. That's fine. She's probably the scariest one in the building. She's got all of us under control.
I'm sure you know. Yeah, we're basically.
Hi. Were you talking to him earlier?
Yes.
Do you know his first and last name?
No, he would not give any names. He wouldn't
No?
give us any information about himself. He was very defensive. He
Yeah.
was not interested in being helpful to us. He just wanted information from us.
Did he
Did he
say
ever actually request it?
Yeah.
Like what he wanted?
Did
He said he wanted, well, he started to. He said he wanted our first names, last names, and salaries, and I said, it's online.
Yeah. And then he's
And
going
then
the
he-
ADA route.
Wasn't happy with that, yeah.
Okay.
That's how
And that was
far I
it.
got.
Okay. Nope, that's all I needed to know. Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks.
Hey, thanks.
You guys want to trespass for 5 months? How many?
Yes,
Yeah.
1 to 5 years is what we usually
Yeah,
do
1 and
anywhere.
5 is typical. A few months. Yeah, how long do you guys want him to trespass?
What are my choices?
Either a few months or a year to 5. People do from
like year minimum and
year
up
and
to
then
5 years.
I'm inclined just to say for a couple of months because it's entirely probable his situation changes from guy who's wanting some incoherent stuff to potential clients. I'm a little bit concerned about making a forever trespass. Cross that bridge when we get to it if he comes back and he's got a legitimate reason to be here in the future.
Got it. I get what you're saying.
You know,
I get
just
what you're
got
putting
a
down.
little reluctant to sort of, it was a
For sure.
7-Eleven or something, let's say, yeah, as
Sure.
long as we can, but I'm a little
You
reluctant.
want to do like
to-
60 days?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I mean, if he, for some reason, has a legitimate reason to be doing business here, we can reassess that.
Got it. I like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I just wanted him
Okay.
to wander off and
Yeah.
and deal
Yeah,
with it,
for
deal with
sure.
his issue in a more appropriate way, so.
Yeah.
For sure.
So 60 days. Okay.
Cool, thank you.
Yep. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, because he wants one.
This is a really sad day.
All right, sir. I'm gonna, if you want to hang out here or come with me over there, I'm gonna issue a trespass form. They want you trespass for 60 days,
bring it
okay?
to me.
Okay, that's perfectly fine. You can hang out right there. I gave you that option.
How'd you get my name?
So, we have resources, sir.
Did you do a FOIA request?
We have resources. That's
I
our
don't
job
want your
to find
copy.
people. Okay.
Okay.
Off of this property.
Illegally. For what
Okay.
reason?
You've been told. So,
No, I haven't been told.
leave
For
and you wouldn't
what
leave.
reason? So they can just
So-
ask arbitrarily anybody to leave?
Is there a business? This is
No,
your
it's publicly owned. I repeat.
Okay.
Is it their business? Does it?
Well, if you come back, you will be a subject to an arrest. And that concludes our involvement here. This is your copy if you want it. If not, I'm going to shred
All I
it.
need from you guys is I need the case number, which I can look up online.
Yeah, I have it right here. It's on that form. Everything that you want's on her. It's 25B as in boy, 56200.
Thank you. So you want to look up Fordyce versus Seattle? And you also want to look up the law before you start making quick judgments like you are today. Which maybe you know
Well,
and
I'm
you
pretty
just...
well versed in how trespassing work. I just that one case.
So is it different when it's a public property opposed to when it's a private?
Not if your conduct warrants a trespass.
Okay, what conduct was that?
They asked you to leave numerous times and you're refusing to leave.
So if they ask me to leave, that's my conduct?
They obviously did something that you didn't like, that was against their policies, and they asked you.
Well, what did they express to you?
Well, I don't know.
Well, they must
They
have
asked
said
you to leave
something.
numerous times.
They asked you to leave and you wouldn't leave.
What's the
They were
reasoning?
trying to get your information and you wouldn't give it to them.
Under the Fourth Amendment? You ever heard about the Fourth Amendment?
Yeah, the right to
So why
search
do
and
I have
seizure.
to give my name?
So I don't know how the Fourth Amendment involves in this.
God.
So, because it's unlawful right search and seizure.
Exactly.
So I don't know what they were.
I'm allowed to be secure in my person, place, and
They're not
effects.
Okay,
law enforcement though.
So
But you are. That's
Yeah.
the difference.
Yeah.
And
They're
you're,
not.
you're held at a higher standard.
all right. Well, we're done here. So you've been
I'm gonna go back
trespassed. If you go back in, you're a subject to an arrest. I already told you that.
So you'll arrest me if I cross the demarcation here.
Yeah,
If you go back in
Where's
the
the,
building,
where's the demarcation?
it's their property right here.
It's public property. It's not their property. It belongs to
All right. You can go in and you're gonna get subject to an arrest. That's all I
Where's
have
my
to say.
supervisor?
Okay. Supervisors are tied up, and you're not always entitled to one. Okay.
I'm not always entitled to one. I want to.
Good for it.
You sent 3
Call
officers and you
911?
can't send a supervisor. I don't want to use an emergency line for something
tell
you
them
guys can
someone's
do.
not emergency.
Look at these guys.
All right.
You have a-
Unbelievably unprofessional. I think they're just going out of their way. Absolutely gonna get sued. I didn't want to go there and try to get
And I'm contacting recording.